Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to sync up for CHAT GPT. As you can see, go to CHAT GPT, go to sync up, write the email address you want to sync up with, click continue, create password, continue. You can save it, you cannot, it's your choice. It will send you an Gmail, go to it. When you open your Gmail, you will get the email from OpenAI. Click on verify, fill out the form, you can do whatever you want, sync up your email, your phone number, write down the code you got on your phone, and here you are. You can do whatever you want on ChatGPT. I hope I helped you and see you in the next video. Bye.